Preposition of time. Test. It is given to you for checking you out how shallow you are. Answers should be given in comment box. Select any one of them according to the sentence. At, on, in, or no preposition. Number 1 is she was born dash 2007. At 2007, on 2007, in 2007, or no preposition. Number 2. I visited London dash May. At May, in May, on May, or no preposition. Number 3. He returned dash May 17th. At May 17th, on May 17th, in May 17th, or no preposition. Number 4. I went there dash Wednesday. At Wednesday, on Wednesday, in Wednesday, or no preposition. Number 5. She calls me dash morning. At morning, on morning, or in morning, or no preposition. Number 6. She called me dash the morning. At the morning, on the morning, in the morning, or no preposition. Number 7. She called me dash Monday morning. At Monday morning, on Monday morning, in Monday morning, or no preposition. Number 8. She will call me dash next morning. In next morning, at next morning, on next morning, or no preposition. Number 9. I met her dash last June. At last June, on last June, in last June, or no preposition. Number 10. I visit her dash every summer. At every summer, on or in, or no preposition.